Hey everyone, my name's Alex with Systems Refined, and today I'm going to show you how you can forward client emails automatically into one of your Asana projects. If a client were to email me, their email will get forwarded into an Asana project that is being managed by their account manager. And I also have a rule set up so that the new task will get assigned to that account manager. First thing you need to do is you need to find the email address of the project that you want the task to appear in. I'm using RJ Steakhouse, so anytime the client emails me, a task will be created here. To find the email of the project, click on the Project Actions drop-down menu, hover over Import, and then select Email. The project email will be displayed, as well as some helpful tips. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this so that I have it for the next step. Next, you need to set up a forwarding rule from your email provider. And I'm going to show you how to do that from Outlook. In Outlook, you'll need to set up a rule. So click on Rules, Manage Rules and Alerts. You're going to create a new rule, and you want to apply a rule on a message that you receive, or I receive. And it's going to be from people or public group. Go ahead and click on that, and then you can type in the email address here, or if you have a contact, you can just use them as well. Click on Next. You're going to forward it to people or public group. So go ahead and click on this, and this is where you're going to type in the project's email address. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that, click on OK, and I don't want any more rules to be processed, so I'm also going to click on Stop Processing More Rules. And then I'm going to click on Finish, and then Apply. So now that rule will be applied. At this point, any emails I get will be sent to this project, but I want to take it one step further. I'm going to create a rule so that the account manager is aware of the email. Now, typically, I wouldn't set it up so that when a client emails me, the account manager will get an Asana task, because the client should be dealing directly with the account manager anyway. So the client might be giving me feedback on the account manager, and I wouldn't want him to see that. But I wanted to show you this next part to help stir some creative juices in your head and think about how you can use this. So I'm going to create a rule. When a new task comes in, let me go ahead and create a custom rule. When a task is added to this project, I want to assign the task to the account manager. Here's the rule. And let's go ahead and test it. I have a fake account from a fake client who is going to email me. And all he's saying is he'd like to get more sales on prime rib. Can we discuss? So I'm going to go ahead and click send. So you see the task came in, and then it assigned it to Derek Stein. And there you have it. That is it for this video. I hope you found it valuable, and if you did, go ahead and click on that like button and click on subscribe so you don't miss out on any other Asana Tips videos.